Hi children, I hope you are all good. So today I am not going to discuss any content from your chapter. So you might think that why I am here. So as a teacher, I feel and it's my duty to discuss which is not related to the chapter but related to your education. Okay, it is equally important. You should know. So sometimes what we think that if a student score good marks or if you get high percentage 97, 98%, that time what we had a notion that wow, this student that she or he is a very good student. Okay, uh, what do you think? Scoring good marks, high percentage, it is sufficient that you will become a successful person in your life? No. Okay, no, it is not sufficient. But don't think that I am against of scoring good marks or this one high percentage. It is equally important. Okay, it's important. You have to score good marks. You have to score high percentage. It is important, but it is not only the one way to become a successful person in your life. Understood? It is not my say. Even if you go to the YouTube of of our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he also said that marks, high marks, good percentage are not sufficient to become a successful person, but required. Okay, I cannot neglect this one. We cannot neglect this one. So equally, some things which are very much important, which are very much measures in our life. If you don't have all those things, it may arise problem in our future. Okay, to tackle the problem. So what are the things? So I will start with a word that is critical thinking. Okay, this critical thinking should develop by every children because the critical thinking help us to become a successful person in our life, whether in any field. Okay, so what is critical thinking? Thinking to you all know. Now, what is critical thinking? Suppose if I talk about the sky, okay, and if when we talk about the sky, the colors to come what? Blue color. So why not? Why we don't ask? Why not? Why the color is not red? This is called critical thinking. Okay. Example: when in your mind, why, how, where, when, these types of thing will come in your mind, that is called critical. And believe me, this critical thinking will surely help you to become a successful person in your life. This critical thinking play a major role. See, the person who invented many things in our earth, okay, those person are all from the background of this critical thinking. You know, Isaac Newton sitting under an apple tree, why the apple fall down? Huh? Why it has not gone up? This one, why came in his mind, and this why ultimately discover what? Gravitation. So this thinking should always think like that. Why, where, how. In your chapter also, why it happened like that, how it happened. Think. You think in your home, yourself. Okay. Automatically the answer will come, and slowly, what happened? Your develop will think develop your thinking will develop in a critical manner, which will help you in your coming life. Okay, this is the very important point. You don't neglect that, and I guarantee you that it will help you to become a successful person. Out of that, there are some tips which today I'm going to suggest you that you should practice regularly. Okay, study is important, but sometimes many students come to me and दे टू सीट द सर हम तो बहुत पढ़ता है घर में लेकिन हमको याद नहीं होता है चीज टू आई कैन नॉट रिमेम्बर now what to do. So I should suggest all those tips to those my students, and I found that it helps them to improve in their learning. Okay, now first of all, see, to develop your learning, reading and writing is very much important. When you develop this reading skill and writing skill, automatic learning will develop. Okay, learn new things, read new things, whatever it's in your home, read, create the habits of reading. So here I want to share one story with you. I met one uh, IPS officer. Okay, and I asked that officer, sir, what made you this IPS officer? Okay, what was the main thing which play a very important role that help you to become an IPS officer? What was the answer? You know, the answer was, he told me that books. He told me that, see Mr. De, बच्चा जब मार्केट में जाता है आइसक्रीम देखने से उसको क्या होता है, टेम्पटेट होता खाने के लिए. Okay, when he see the ice cream, when he saw the ice cream, he feel tempted to eat. Like that, हम जब छोटा रहा तब से हमको किताब देखने से उसको किताब का अंदर क्या है, what is inside, what is written in the books, awareness जो उसका अंदर में हो रहा. And these books, तुझे जो हम IPS ऑफिसर हुआ ओनली फॉर दैट बुक्स उसके बोला. तो दिस व्हाट मीन्स रीडिंग, उसका रीडिंग स्किल बहुत ज़्यादा रहा. तो द मोर यू विल रीड, द मोर इट विल हेल्प in to develop in your learning. So you read whenever you get times. No, just no, not only your this one school books but other books also novel, this one, the story books like that. Okay, so you read first thing. Now second thing is that some of the students, they don't know how to draw. Okay, even me, I don't know how to draw, but just sit with this drawing books and color. Okay, छोटा बच्चे का कलर ड्रॉ करते रहो. Whether you know or don't know, don't think about that. You just draw, you paint with red, blue, yellow, whatever color is coming in your mind, you draw. Whether it is perfect or not, don't go on that. Okay, just go and draw. It will help you. What? You know, it will help open your artistic side. One day you will realize that it has helped you to develop your artistic side. Another third point is that sometimes when you are free, you sing, dance, and try to explore new things. There are many things in your home, inside your room, inside your house, inside your garden. Okay, try to explore new things. Okay, these are the things you should practice every day, regularly. And sometimes you sit alone, sit silently, and think about your future. What you want to be. क्या होने मांगता हम after 9, after 10, after 11, after 12, after completion of my degree, what I want to be. Set the goals from now. Okay, set the goals from now. Surely you will success. But you have to think yourself. This is the thing. And the last, which is very much important, that meditation. Meditation play a very important role, these children. Why? Because our brain is, you know what, our brain is mostly like a boiling pressure cooker. मालूम है ना, boiling pressure cooker का ताले हम लोग को brain. And when we meditate, what happen? It definitely help us to regenerate. Okay, and it helps to heal also. It heal itself. Understood? So our brain need rest. So the only process to give our brain in rest is meditation. See children, if you follow these tips, I guarantee you, you will develop in your learning. You will score good marks for which you are running, for which we all are running. Okay, and it will help you to take decision. It will help you to take constructive thinking, and one day you will become a very successful person in any field. If you choose any field, you will become a successful person, and that is important. Okay, so today video is about that, and I have uploaded last 12 videos, which was the content has been taken from social science class 10, and I think 2-3 content from class 9 also. If you have any queries, if you have any question, you can go to the this one, and you can give your this feedback. You can give your feedback. Okay, and if any questions, you can ask me. I have already given my number. So this is what about today. So see children, if you follow all those things which I have said to you, I guarantee, and 100 means 500% I guarantee you, you will become successful person in your life. Thank you very much.